3 group members connected.
Hello. Did you get Willie's cardle connected?
Yep. Yeah, I'm here, Sean.
Oh, did you get it connected to your phone?
Yeah. It's connected to his phone. He's listening to his music.
So you'll not be talking to us then, eh?
Sure, I can hear you.
I know you can.
Alright, you there? Okay. Okay. Wait for him while you turn in. We're good.
Yeah.
They're coming through.
On you go, Alec.
So see when it turns like this, no bother. See when it turns the other way, a bit fucking iffy, don't know why. It's got a weak street. Yeah. You're turning right, okay? Huh?
Turning right. What a lovely wee place this is, eh?
Isn't it? All those connections to my fucking car, though, that's because I put it in a walk to big day.
Nice Capri, that.
Where the full open face helmets come out.
Aye, they're handy, eh?
Look at that fucking beach, son! Look at that beautiful. My wife would absolutely love that.
Look at the pictures on the left there. Just look out your window, look at that.
So where are we getting a chippy Eyemouth?
Yeah. Yes.
Right.
Just a bit cheap, yeah. Cool.
I'm having a white pudding supper. Alec will probably have his usual, the old sausage.
I'm going to go for the fish tonight.
I'm going down a fish. Well, the Eyemouth fish are supposed to be nice. So yeah, the fish is pushing Eyemouth. That's where the land. Going up, see you take us. Yeah, that's still usually they're the class in the middle.
That's cracking, eh?
Yes. That's fucking huge.
They couldn't fucking build something like that now.
I couldn't afford to build something like that now.
I could, I'm a stonemason to trade.
Well, look, that's where all the fucking cars were coming, look. We meet here, yeah.
Classic car show.
It's a lovely wee place. This is Seahouses. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Seahouses. Out dogs welcome. Get in for a wee fucking bar lunch.
Yeah, it's only a couple of hours down the road.
Yeah.
And they've tarmacked it. This is what all the roads should be like.
That's a nice wee place. Yeah.
Ah.
Hey, say what, I can fucking put that here, man. Yeah, I was just thinking that. That is she by that one. You done? Oh, wait, that's
I was a bloody van, eh?
No.
because you can't see her, you know.
No.
So I'm going to see her in a second.
Same with these knobs with the big roof boxes on them.
Are you clear up your way, Molly?
Yes, why you come? Come back.
Although it does look ahead, there has to be a bit of a fish.
Drake.
There's a wee bit.
Aye, this way one.
Left, left, left.
Yeah. Come on, back on your one.
Alex, you're getting better with that indicator.
A wee bit.
Well, aye. Just me that leaves them on now. Me and John. Cheeky wee level crossing.
Sure.
Easy peasy, no feet down. No feet down at all.
Make sure that's cruise control.
Just rub it in, eh?
Look, cruise control on shot.
You can be smug just now, but just use weight. I'll have cruise control.
Look.
That's alright, don't worry. I'll fix cruise control with this, don't you worry.
A little bit down here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But just give it reading them, you know what I mean? Just a bit tired. Hopefully there's no match to culture. It's not so bad at the rain on the way back, we should get rid of it.
Ah, because you're going home, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Softens up the flies on your windscreen.
Actually, it was meant to be clear now.
Yeah, so I don't know why it's. Because you're right, it's supposed to be like 100% clear. No excuse for
The wind
It's
changed.
not right to the right hand side, but it is coming to the fucking place.
Moggy.
Oh, they'll mean it.
I've had a few of them. Well, I say a few, I've had two.
You know what you lights on. Like, same lights on. Yeah, the spotlights on them. Oh, there's the back.
Here comes the rain.
The one bit.
Yeah.
And we're back over the wall. Hello, Scotland. Aye. The future's bright.
Orange.
I was on Orange for years. That was a great wee network when I was on it. Aye, I'm on MOTO as well. Well, GIF-GAF's up too. Oh, Gloucester. A wee bit blowy.
Oh, that was a perfect red dot for me there.
So back to you.
It's getting about I think you planted in there, so
That junction back there, when I was on the trucks, I was taking a truck down to England, there was a removal truck on its side, so he must have turned too quick
Aye.
coming off the A1 into here and flipped it right on its side. So some poor aye, so some poor person's contents of their house, it was all smashed up to fuck.
That's why you get shirts.
Hello, Eyemouth.
That's disease.
We're going to
to cut those getting help.
Right.
I'm straight. Oh, just wait. Flash bed. Good to fast, good to fast.
I got a smiley face.
That's what it is.
I
That's
never.
the first one I've seen.
You got flashed.
No, I didn't. I got a smiley green face.
Aye.
Sorry, straight on fault. Alright, right. Fault. Like halves, okay?
Aye. Just you lead, Willie. We'll follow.
Yes,
It's a nice wee place as well, eh?
I'm looking for a particular chippie that I've been there before. So fucking bear with me.
Well, if you've been to it before, you'll know where you're fucking going, eh?
Holy fuck. Ah, you know, holy fuck.
Oh, Willie, you're getting the shit ripped out of you today.
Yeah,
Ah, Tom.
Right, well, left or right?
Go left, right. Go left, right.
You know what? It's actually right. That's right, but
Right.
it's good.
No, you go
Oh, you go
left.
right,
We'll
right.
just do a turn.
Right, where are we going? Down there and then down to the left. Okay, we should have come right back to that. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm turning left and then I'm going to do a U-turn up here.
Right, I've turned right, I'm heading down the right. Yeah.
I'm with
There's
Willie.
amusements. So I'm guessing if there's amusements, there'll be a chippie from here somewhere.
This fucking try to find it as an amusement. Right, Wills, let's go.
Centre. What's up?
Further on, John.
There'll be a place with loads of bikes. Fucking telling. Yeah, good, right, keep going, Paul, keep going. Okay, put your indicator off. Pal. Mine's is off. Okay, no, it's out.
Big Al.
Store. Okay, so follow the road round to the right. Well, as you're doing, perfect.
Fuck bringing a coach down here.
Right. Anywhere round about here that you should stop, pal. Anywhere that you feel comfortable at. Stop here. You okay, Sean?
Aye. Just walk it back a wee bit. Can you go forward to Alex a bit? Aye, that's better.
Yeah.
That'll let me get a turn. There we are, that's fine. Alex, you're needing a haircut.
You know what?
Nobody's going to come in there anyway.
Yeah, but my sister was back and looks at your bike.
Oh, aye, right, okay.
It's that side stand, Sean. It's up, alright? Okay, Paul, go down. That's better, pal.
Aye, good thinking, Willie.
The chippy is actually around there. It's just on the corner, alright?
Just moved it forward a wee
Good
touch.
radio. It's alright. Here comes the sun.
That lassie's pissing herself laughing at you. Right, Chippy, eh?
Aye.
Stars of the show.